Hi guys, I'm Taylor with For the Need, and I am going to show you how to create badge IDs in the system as well as putting them together for the volunteers. What you're going to want to do is get into your computer and log in to Neon CRM. Once you get into Neon CRM, go to Reports and then Reports again, and you'll come up to this page here. Type in badges into the search bar. Open up the Volunteers Need Badges Next Event. You'll come up to this report, and on the left-hand side here, you'll edit criteria. And instead of it saying this event, we're going to try a different one. And then we'll run the report. And all of these need badges. So we'll export the results into Excel. And save this file. You'll want to save it as 805 or whatever area code that you are in. Rocket Day volunteer badges. And then you'll save this report. Now go back into Neon CRM, go back to Reports and back to Reports, and then type in badges one more time. You'll come up to the report that says Attendees Need Badges Next Event. We'll open this one. And again, we're going to edit the criteria. And for the event, it will say, instead of Rocket Day, we're going to be doing Rocket Day 805 testing. And then we'll run the report and export into Excel. And then save this report. And instead of it saying volunteer badges, it will say attendee badges. And then once you've saved those reports, go into Avery Design. And you'll see that there are templates for the families and the volunteers. You'll create a copy by clicking on one of the templates and select Make a Copy at the bottom. And instead of it saying copy at the end, we'll put in the event title, which is 805 Rocket Day. We'll open that project up. And we'll replace the spreadsheet that's already in there with the spreadsheet for the attendees. This is the one that we've started with. When under Choose Fields, there will be the top row, which are your headers in Excel. You'll want to unclick that box and go to Next. And you'll drag over your attendee full name to the large box on the right-hand side, click Next, and Finish. Move this name box down to the center of the name badge. And then you'll go into QR codes and add a QR code from a spreadsheet, which is the middle choice. And open up the same report, the 805 Rocket Day attendee badges. Unclick that first line because that's again our headers, and click Next. And under Industry Standard Format, it will automatically come up as code 128. However, you're going to want to scroll down and go to QR code. And in this text box right here, you'll add in attendee account ID. It'll pull up your QR code, and you'll want to resize it in the top right-hand corner. And right now we have 4 families right here. If this person is a parent, you'll put their child's name at the bottom right-hand corner by adding a text box, resizing the text in that text box, and moving it to the lower right-hand corner of your badge. Scroll to Edit 1, add in your text box, change the font size to size 12, and move it to the bottom right-hand corner of your badge. And in here, we'll write the name of this person's child. And these are for the parents. Now you're gonna wanna make sure that the 805 or your area code location is at the top center of your badge. And then we're gonna review all of our badges and delete anything or add anything that needs to be there. Okay, then we'll review and print. And it'll say get PDF to print. You'll save the project. And then we'll open the PDF. You're going to want to print this on Avery 5392, and these are for the name badge inserts, and we're going to print these off. Now go back to your Avery projects and open up the template that says volunteer badges. You're gonna click on it, make a copy of this, and again, at the very back of your text box, you'll put in what event it will be for. So again, this is 805 Rocket Day. Open that project. And the same way that we did the first set of badges for the families, you're gonna wanna go to Import Data, Replace Spreadsheet, Browse for File, and this time instead we'll do the volunteer badges. Again, deselect that top line for your headers, add in your full name, and finish. Sometimes this will happen where they overlap names, and what you'll need to do is just delete one of them. But this happens quite a bit with the templates. So we'll move this down to the center. And in their badge, it says 805 volunteer. What you'll want to do is just delete the 805 part. Go back to the QR code and barcode, add in a QR code from the spreadsheet. Again, the second choice. Open up your volunteer badges and deselect that top row. And again, it automatically comes up as code 128. You'll scroll down to QR code, and in the text box, add account ID. And finish that up. It'll come up with a QR code. And you'll resize for this box. There we go. And then you'll just make sure that all of the rest of your volunteers have the correct name on them. Preview and print, and then save your project. and open your PDF just like we did the first time, and you'll print this one as well. Now what I will do is show you how to create the badges with our badge inserts, the links, and the laces.